Of all the films showing at this year's Croatian Film Festival, Pamtim, Samo, Sretne, Dane, or Good Times, Bad Times, is the one that leaves an imprint for me. Set in a surreal restaurant in Zagreb, once owned by the main character's father, the story follows Hrvoje, a successful businessman who doesn't yet realise that he has died in the first scene. As he takes his seat in the restaurant, he begins to witness the defining moments of his life replayed: love, family, friendship, all through the eyes of those he touched most. The casting in this film is brilliant. The performances are superb. Different actors play Hrvoje and his loved ones at different life stages, adding a powerful, emotional, sometimes confusing texture, but one that stays with you long after the credits roll. This is a film about what really matters, a mirror to our times, where chasing status too often leaves our hearts and our homes quietly empty. Good Times, Bad Times is the reminder we all need right now, that it's never too late to come home to what is real. I'm Mariana Rudan from Croatia House. Pamtim, Samo, Sretne, Dane is my personal favourite, so I look forward to seeing you at this one-off screening in September at this year's Croatian Film Festival. It's bye for now.